I sometimes think about that as like if some people in this world were kind of born in their whole existence is like they were meant to build the thing.
Yeah.
You know? Like I sometimes wonder like what I was meant to do. 'Cause you have these plans for your life, you have these dreams.
I think you're meant to build robots.
Okay, me personally, maybe. That's a sense I've had, but it could be other things. It could hilariously enough be the thing I was meant to be is to talk to people.
Yeah.
Which is weird because I
No, but
always was anxious about talking to people. It's like
really?
yeah, I'm scared of this. I was scared. Yeah,
I'm
exactly.
scared of you. So.
It's just anxiety throughout social interaction in general. I'm an introvert that hides from the world. So yeah, it's really strange.
Yeah, but that's also kind of life. Like life brings you to. It's very hard to super intently kind of choose what you're gonna do with your life. It's more like surfing. You're surfing the waves. You go in the ocean. You see where you end up. You know.
Yeah, yeah. And there's universe has a kind of sense of humor.
Yeah.
I guess you have to just allow yourself to be carried away by the waves. Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah.
Have you felt that way in your life?
Yeah. All the time. Like yeah. That's like I think that's the best way to live your life.
So allow whatever to happen. Like, do you know what you're doing in the next few years? Is it possible that it'll be completely like changed?
Possibly, I think relationships, like you want to hold relationships, right? You want to hold your girlfriend, you want to become wife and all this stuff. But I think you should stay open to where, like for example, where you want to live. Like I don't know, we don't know where we want to live, for example. That's something that will figure itself out. It will crystallize where you will get sent by the waves to somewhere where you want to live, for example. What you're gonna do. I think that's a really good way to live your life. I think most stress comes from trying to control, like hold things, like. It's kind of Buddhist, you need to like lose control, let it loose, and then things will happen. Like when you do mushrooms, when you do drugs, like psychedelic drugs, the people that are like control freaks get bad trips, right? Because you need to let go. Like I'm pretty control freak actually, and when I did mushrooms when I was 17, it was very good, and then at the end it wasn't so good because I tried to control. It's like now it's going too much, now I need to let's stop, bro. You can't stop it. You need to go through with it, and. So I think it's a good metaphor for life. I think that's, a very tranquil way to lead your life.
Yeah, actually, when I took ayahuasca, that lesson is deeply within me already that you can't control anything.
Yes.
I think I probably learned that the most in jiu-jitsu. So just let go and relax.
Yeah.
And that's why I had just an incredible experience. There's like literally no negative aspect of my ayahuasca experience or any psychedelics I've ever had. Some of that could be with my biology, my genetics, whatever, but some of it was just not trying to control. And, just surf the wave.
For sure. I think most stress in life comes from trying to control.